Hello everyone, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with the Yamaha RD350LC, which is one of our latest prizes, and we're going to have a go at starting it. So first thing we need to do, turn the ignition on, fuel on and choke on. I've already done this, so the bike is already warm, so just the ignition and the fuel will be fine. So, ignition on. Starts nice and easy as it's all fully restored. Will need running in as it's only done I think 33 miles since the restoration. Lovely paint job with a nice gold pinstripes. It's all matching engine and frame numbers. See there, it's only done 33 miles, and that is since the full restoration. So as always, tickets are £2.99. You can get them through our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If this bike is no longer on the site, still have a look, because we've got lots of nice classic Japanese two-strokes, British classics, cafe racers, and maybe some modern classics as well. So thank you for your support if you do enter, and if you do buy a ticket, good luck. Thank you.